Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Manoj. Today I'm going to show you list of free courses which are trending right now in the market. These courses which are trending, very trending. First, mostly I'm show today on digital related courses related to digital marketing, guys. The first course I'm going to show you is Instagram marketing growth tips. Generally, uh, nowadays social media is in hype, so everyone wants to increase their social media followers, and this is particularly for them those who want to increase their Instagram marketing followers. And in this course you can easily increase the followers. In this course you can learn uh, the you can identify the algorithm pattern, and you can use the algorithm to your advantage. This will help you to increase in the followers, as I said. And you can also get likes and comments in this course. How to increase likes and comments, and many more. The next course I'm going to show you is very important course, guys. YouTube tips, grow your YouTube channel with free courses. Many people feel how to increase their YouTube channel. By applying these techniques which is shared in this course, really has an impact. You can definitely grow your channel within a few months. Uh, so you can learn these things. Grow your YouTube channel with free resources. You can increase views, subscribers to your YouTube channel, and save money by getting free resources. In this course, he will discuss about only free resources, guys. You don't need to pay any penny. You can definitely go through this course. It's worth, definitely worth. You can enroll these courses for lifetime. As I said earlier, this is a Udemy, which is the biggest platform. Many courses are offered in this Udemy platform. The next important thing is eBay. Step by step, find eBay drop shipping suppliers. Those who are interested in eBay drop shipping business. This is in After lockdown, this business has definitely has an impact, guys. eBay is also one of the biggest site. In this, you can learn. You can learn all these things. How to protect your eBay accounts business, free membership in free course, and you can also become a community member. And this is a course content. You will learn these things. You don't need to take notes anything. This course is particularly for eBay dropshippers or dropshippers in any platform. If you are interested in this course, definitely you can take it, guys. Our next social media platform today I'm gonna show you is free digital marketing and SEO master course. Guys, you know SEO is a search engine optimization, which gets your traffic basically for free. You don't need to pay anything, and definitely it only ranks in the web page at the top level. So many people are paying thousands of rupees for SEO. You can definitely learn this course, guys, at free of cost. In this course, you can learn SEO and social media marketing. And this course is mainly for digital marketers, so search engine optimizers, and social media marketers. For the people who do SEO is a lot important course, guys. They are paying. Even organizations are ready to pay any cost, uh, any much for the employees. You can definitely worth to take it. This is a free course, and you can access anytime, guys. Just you can enroll. Only you need to do is enroll in this free course. And next, we are going to another website, guys. The new website called Coursera. You can easily sign up the button through here, like as I shown here, uh, by Facebook or mail ID. And here I am going to show you his courses, guys. These are for limited time. Uh, First one is IBM Machine Learning Professional Certificate. The people who are interested in machine learning, they can definitely go through this. Coursera is also biggest platform. And this course, guys, particularly open for 7 days only. Particularly open for 7 days only. This course. So after 7 course, you need to cancel the subscription. Basically, see in this way it is. You need to give your card details for the first time. This is a monthly subscription. Once you completed the course for 7 days, then you can cancel the course. And even after once you completed the course within 7 days, guys, you'll get a certificate from Coursera, which is really helpful. And next course I am going to show you is IBM Security and Cyber Security Analyst and Professional Certificate, guys. This course is most demanding. Cyber security also nowadays. These all are professional courses, guys. And here applied in learning projects investigate a real world security breach, identify the attack vulnerability. Many more projects are involved in these courses, guys. Coursera particularly. This is also limited 7 days only for free. After that, you can have to pay if you want. Otherwise, you can just cancel the subscription. Similarly, the next course I'm going to show you is strategy of content marketing. Nowadays, content is everything, guys. Without content, no one can do anything. So you can definitely go through this course, strategy of content marketing, and how it goes and how it works. Uh, these all are today's courses, guys. I will come with tomorrow courses. Next, enroll, guys. Like, comment, and share with your friends, guys. They can also be get benefited. Subscribe to our channel for getting daily updates. We'll update daily courses, and if you want any kind of particular course, comment on below, guys. We'll try to give that particular topic as a course as a free of cost. Thank you.